Hi, my name's Alex Perry. I'm a Chinese medicine doctor just like you guys are training to be. And in a couple of weeks' time, at the end of March, I'm coming to Melbourne to give you a lecture. And if you're watching this video, chances are you're in either Year 1, Year 2 or Year 3 of Chinese medicine at RMIT. And what I'm coming to Melbourne to teach you is a little bit about what it means to be a Chinese medicine practitioner or a doctor of Chinese medicine or a Chinese medicine doctor, however you want to think about yourself. And one of the things that I find is that many graduates, when they finish, don't necessarily have the business acumen or the business skills or even an idea of the sort of practice or the sort of scope of practice that they'd like to build once they finish their clinical training. Because I really believe, having to be through RMIT, that it really is the best possible start for you by developing clinical skills, by getting experience seeing patients. What this class is designed to do is to try and inspire you a little bit to think about what it is to be in practice, what it means to be in practice, and to start to give you some of the tools and the skills that you're going to need when it comes time to graduate. And I'm thinking, maybe you're thinking that this is quite early, in first, second or third year to start thinking about, your practice or your profession in the future. But I would suggest that now is actually the perfect time to start thinking about it. Because I know that many of my peers left it until after they'd graduated to start thinking about what they were going to do, how they were going to develop their profession. And in many cases it can take years to actually work out how to do that. And I think if you start now, you will have a big head start on people who don't think about this until much later. So the sorts of things that we're going to talk about really are about laying the foundation for you thinking about practice and what it means to be a clinician. So we're going to start asking a couple of really important questions. Important questions like, what kind of practitioner do you want to be? What kind of practice do you want to run? And what sort of skills and attributes you're going to need in order to take your great clinical skills and turn them into practical skills where you can actually use that knowledge and that information to make a real difference to people's health. And that's really what this class or these courses are about. And I'm really excited to come to Melbourne and join you in these classes. So check your timetables. My name is Alex Perry. You'll see me in there somewhere. And make sure that you do absolutely come along to these classes. This stuff is really important. It's going to form the basis for how you start to think about what it means to be in practice. And I think that's, I know that's very important. And so I look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks. If you've got any questions prior to me coming down to Melbourne, feel free to email me at reception@blueskyclinic.com.au. And look forward to meeting you soon. Bye for now.